It takes a while for the Optishot software to load up. I started panicking the first time I tried to switch and I thought, oh no, the install not gone correctly. So once it's up and running, you come to the login screen. So you click on login, and what we're going to do now is set up your club set. To do this, it's the good place to do it is in the practice area. As you can see, the driving range is already set. You can go practice on some of the golf courses, repeating some of your shots, you know, taking mulligans and that, and just practicing. I've not used that feature yet, but I've used the driving range quite a lot. The reason it's asking me that is because I created a test setup earlier on just to make sure I knew what I was going to tell you about. Anyway, this is the driving range screen. It's very similar to the screen that you'll get when you're playing on a course. There's 4 menus, one in each corner, so you can change things as you're playing the game. The bottom right one here is the one we're interested in at the moment. So we're going to go and manage club sets. Now this is one that I set up earlier on, and I'm going to delete that. This one I've set up for my own clubs, and these 4 here are built-in different types of club sets. I believe these are blades, cavity, and an improver golf set to help you get better. And this one is just a hybrids, I believe. I've not actually looked at it. Tell you what, let's have a look now. No, forget that. I thought you could go in and edit it, but it not let you edit it. Right, so this is what I've set up for myself, and what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to set a test user club setup. I'm going to select players and click new. Now it's set the player that I've copied the club set from players, and I'm going to give it my name, so I'm going to call this test. You can call it anything that you want, so click OK, and straight away go into the driver, and what you've got here is the shaft length, the distance, the average distance that you hit it, the loft on the club, and the offset. And now then you can get these off the website. If you don't actually have them, you can get them off the web if you just do a search for your particular type of club. This one here is speed adjustment. You may have been on a training session with a pro, and he's told you what your speed is. And when you're swinging the club, if you don't get that speed, you can come back here and adjust the speed and adjust the average distance. But I will do a bit more on that later on when we come to setting your clubs up. When we come, so I'm going to click next. Now I don't have a 3-wood, so what I'm going to do is change this. You've got to delete it all. You can't just go to the beginning and just change the one item. I have a 5-wood. And click the drop down and select 5-wood. I'll just leave them for the moment, and click next. Now I don't have a hybrid at all, so what I'm going to do is, so that doesn't show up in my club set, is put 999 in there, and that will remove it from my club set. And what happens with the club set is when you're actually playing a game, game. When you're actually playing a game, the software selects the next club according to your average distance set. And setting it to 999 means it won't appear. So, oh, I've clicked OK. I'll go back in there. I'm going to go click edit club set, and as you can see I'm still on test. So let's go previous, and as you can see it's removed the hybrid already. I don't have a 3-iron, so I'm going to go 999. Next, don't have a 4-iron, so I'm going to go 999. And I got a 5, got a 6, got a 7, 8, 9. Pitching wedge, sand wedge, don't have a lob wedge, so here we go, 999. Next, I've got a putter. So that's it for the club set. So we go back to previous. And then if you wanted to add clubs in later on, I believe this is where you would do it. You go past the putter and it would tell you what you can, so if I wanted to put the hybrid back in there, I'd put something, you know, just say 100 yards or something like that and put it in. You'll know how far you hit a hybrid. So. Right, so that's it for your club set. That's already set up, and now you're ready to calibrate your clubs. And I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video.